I forgot to add this in the video, so I guess this is, you can call it an edit. But this is your drive, you know. I already took the crap off, and I was just gonna get ready to lube up my motor. But you have wires here. What you want to do is pull them out, obviously. Let me just find a spot to put this camera. Whatever. This shouldn't be that hard. Just pull them out and then take this out. Watch that green thing. When you take it out, it'll get caught on there. So you take out your drive. Pretty simple. Now get your pill bottle. Get your pill bottle again. Stick the screws in there. You don't want to lose them. I mean, if you do, there's replacements you can get, but you just don't want to. Fuck! Oh my god, that sucks so much. Here it is. Just stick them all in there. What the hell is this for? And then put the, oh my god, put the cap back on. And then you can just, flip it over again. Thought that happened, memory was full. Anyway, take the screws out, flip it over. Just either, probably pull on the top is the best way you can do it. I'm going to put this inside the 360. Push.
One of these black things, pull open, what we gotta do. This whole top part comes out. It come open. Just pull it out. Or the bottom. Sure.
This is the bottom. If the bottom comes out first, that's fine. You just flip it over and you try to take out the top. There we go. This is the top. This thing you'll need, it might be a little harder than this, but just crack it open. Twist it, whatever. Don't put a disc in here. You can run 360 open, but don't put a disc in without this. That goes right on there. Because the disc will fly over and get scratched like up the ass and everything. This is your CD drive. Got that thing to put on. Got your motor. Don't touch the lens. Lens, don't touch it, don't look at it, don't spit on it, don't talk near it. You can move it, try not to, it's bad for it. Don't take the grease off the thing like I just did, that's also bad for it. My 360, I don't know if I have an old one or a new one, because it seems old. I got it a year ago, but it has that extension on it, and it's different completely. I don't know, but that's how you open your 360. And I'll be posting a video shortly on how to close